chicken today. This recipe has a past. This recipe is very sentimental to me because when I was younger and starting out with my cooking, I had a friend, an older friend, and she was always giving me good advice. And I loved spending time with her. And one day she gave me this recipe. Her name is Fanny. I've learned so much from this woman, and I lost her early. But there's one thing that I'm happy about this situation is that when she came to Montreal, for some reason, and she called me, I was terribly busy, but I dropped everything and I spent the day with her. And that same week when she went back, she died. So now I'm so happy I did that because I have the most amazing memory of her, my best friend, older, and this recipe, every time I do this recipe, I remember her. Her name is Fanny. So we're gonna do Fanny's chicken today. So this is chicken that we're going to use. We're going to use salt and pepper. So this recipe needs, it's an amazing recipe. It needs a little bit of oil. We're going to use some scented oil, not too much, just a couple of tablespoons. We're going to use soya, and we're going to use mustard. We need some ketchup. And we need some honey. And then we mix this all together. If you have time to marinate your chicken in these ingredients, you're gonna have an amazing recipe, I'm telling you. The garlic, it needs garlic. Guess what? I have a surprise for you. Ginger ale. It's not for me, it's for the chicken. Look, it's gonna cook, it's gonna bake with the ginger ale. The ginger ale is gonna blend very well with the honey and all the other ingredients, and you're gonna have a nice sticky, nice chicken. I'm gonna put this in the oven. So we're going to make some rice. I really don't know why people have a problem cooking rice and they buy those rice cookers. Okay, buy them. If you have a problem, buy them. But I mean, rice is easy to cook. You just measure, 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of liquid, 4.5. Lower the heat and let it cook for about 20 minutes and you have rice. So this is 2 cups of rice, and I'm gonna use an onion soup. So we're gonna put some soya here, some olive oil, the scented olive oil, mushrooms. These are good. We're going to use 4, a little over, water. We're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes and it's going to be nice and ready. So have a nice day, everybody. This is Litsa.